Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have square root of 10k square is equals to 10, and we solve this problem for all the values of k. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods. But if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. And here the very first thing we are going to do is first we need to remove this square root sign from left hand side, and for this we need to take a squaring on both of the sides. So when we apply squaring on both of the sides, it will be written as in this form: 10k square root and its whole square is equals to, this is our 10 square. And now further in the next step we need more simplifications, and you see here this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here this is 10 times of k square, and this is positive 10 square. When we move it into the left hand side, it will become negative 10 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here further in the next step, you see that both of these two terms involve 10, so that 10 be the common term. So here we need to take common 10, and after taking common 10 we get the remaining values are, from here we get k square minus, from here this is 10 square, and we take common 110 and we get remaining 10, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here further in the next step we need to divide both of the sides by 10 in order to remove this 10 from here. Okay, so that when we divide both of the sides by 10, it will be written as, this is 10 times k square minus 10 divided by 10 is equals to 0 divided by 10. And now you see here this 10 and this 10 are cancelled out by each other, and we get the remaining values are k square minus 10 is equals to, this is 0 divided by 10. And we know about that when we divide 0 by any number, it will always get 0. So here we get the value is 0. And now further in the next step, here our target is to find the values of k. So for this we move this minus 10 to the right hand side, and it will be written as k square is equals to 10. So for the values of k, we need to remove this square sign from left hand side, and for this we apply square root on both of the sides. And you see here this 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we get here this is k equals to, this is square root of 10. And we know about that when we apply square root on both of the sides, we will be right here plus minus sign on any one of the sides. So this is plus minus times of square root of 10. So these are the two real roots of the given equation which we get here in this method. But now here in the next step we need to verify that is these values of k be the solution, or is this value of k be the extraneous root. So for verification we need to copy down given question statement here, and it is 10 times k square and its square root is equals to 10. And here we just substitute both of these two values of k into the left hand side, and we check its behavior. So when you put this value here, it will becomes a square root of 10 times of k square, and the value of k is plus minus square root of 10 and its whole square, and this is equals to 10 or not. Okay, so this is the our claim, and here we need little bit simplification, and we check that both of the sides are equal or not. So here you know about that when we apply square on positive term as well as negative term, it will always get the answer is in positive form. Okay, so this plus minus becomes here plus, and this 2 and this square root are gone, and here we get 10 only, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now further in the next step, you see 10 multiplied by 10 becomes 10 square, and its whole square root is equals to 10. So this 2 and this square root are gone, and you clearly see here we get 10 equals to 10. This shows that both of the sides are equal. It means that the values of k equals to plus minus square root of 10 is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we have the solution set of this problem is plus minus square root of 10. So this is the final answer of our first method, and now we again solve this problem from second method. So in second method, first we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is square root of 10 times of k square is equals to 10. So in the second method, we apply the square root sign separately on both of these two values, and it will be written as square root of 10 into square root of k square is equals to, this is 10, and here we use the nice radical law. You know about that. If we have a sum number a, we write this into the product of radicals, and it will be written as square root of a multiplied by square root of a. So according to this rule, we write this 10 as square root of 10 multiplied by square root of 10. And in the next step, we need to move this square root, and further you see here both of these two terms involve square root of 10, so that we divide both of the sides by square root of 10. So when we divide by square root of 10, it will be written as square root of 10. This is also divided by square root of 10. This 2 and this square root are gone, this square root of 10, this square root of 10 are gone, and we get here k is equals to this square root of 10 and this square root of 10 are also gone, and we get here square root of 10 only. So this is the value of k, and here you see that our second method with a very smartest way in which we can easily get the values of k. So this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.